Do you love that puppy? This is a perfect time. Come here, baby. Oh my god, he's the same size Chandler was. No bark, Brittany. Stop barking. No bark. Oh, I just turned it off.